So in this video, we're going to learn how to use that comment in Python. So suppose, first of all, as we know that what is that need of comment. So comment we can use basically to make our program more readable. So suppose I wanted to put it here on a statement, print, and then some message, welcome message. And if I run this one, so now it's simple, so anyone can understand it. But suppose now I wanted to put that, if I go ahead and I put that here on comment, and comment will start with hash. So I'll put that now to print, or we can put that welcome message when user enter, and then we can try to run that. So we can see that this whatever we given it here with the hash, it's not going to consider it out. So now suppose if I put that this one more time, and I will put that here as well comment hash. So now we can see that here the color also got changed and it's printing only one time. So if I remove this, it's going to print two times. So now we understand what is that use of comment. So we have basically two types of comment. One is now single line comment, one is multi-line comments. So now we can achieve this multi-line comments in two different ways. So I can enter it here now. Welcome again. So if I execute this, it's only going to print that one line. So we can use like this, or what we can do, if we have multi-line comments, then we can go ahead with that triple single quotation, and then we'll end that with triple single quotation. I think that's my bad. Uh, Something I did now mistake. So now I need to restart it. I need to type it again. So 1, 2, 3. So now since I put that 3, so see what they're doing, they're promoting us to write it in between by default. Or else what we can do, we can go ahead and remove that 3. Now 3 is there. Now we can see that it's started displaying that error message. So now if I put that one more 3, so it's become correct. So now it's working fine. So multi-line comments, we can use that triple single quotation, or else for single line quotation comments, we can use that hash keyword to print it out. So now in this similar way, suppose I need to print that one string with that multiple. Suppose I have one big string. So let's start with, suppose we put that raptor. But if we go and suppose that if we have real time figure one, then what I'm doing, I try to print it out again. Name. So if we go ahead and run that, so we can see that if we have to put in, what we can do, we just put it here that with that slash. So before to this, I will show you one more time one thing. So suppose if I remove this slash, so now what it's going to be happen. So see now it's what it's printing only one line. It's not printing this one because this is not assigned to anywhere. So it's not considering this one as value for the name. So plus slash, it's going to consider that for the new line. So it's going to concatenate both, and then it's going to display it here. So we saw that it displayed, but there are no space in between. So now I will go ahead and what we need to do. So now since we need that space, and this one is going to consider for the next line. So we have to put something before to this. I put that some space extra, and then if I do plus, and then I will run it. So see now, we got that some extra space in between this, and it's printing with that space. How we need to print it. So I hope you like this video. I will see you in next video with some other topic.